The TSI MACD indicator is available for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on the chart. Traders can refer to this page to understand how the indicator works and operates. From the navigation section, we select the indicator file and run it on the chart by dragging the file. Just make sure to activate the Allow DLL Imports option in the common settings and then click on the OK button. From the navigation section, we select the indicator file and run the indicator by dragging the file onto the chart. Just make sure to pay attention to activate the Allow DLL Imports option in the common settings and then click on the OK button. Once the indicator is applied to the chart, an oscillator window will open at the bottom of the chart for us. The TSI MACD indicator helps identify trade entry and exit points using two lines, blue and orange. A blue line crossing above the orange suggests a buy signal, while crossing below indicates a sell signal. The settings section offers customization options. It shows that when the blue line crosses the orange line upwards, it can be seen as a buy signal or an entry point for a trade. Conversely, when the blue line crosses the orange line downwards, it can be considered a sell signal or an exit point from a trade. In the settings section, there are options available for us. The first part relates to the display settings, including the theme or template of the indicator, which has three modes: light tem, dark tem, and custom. In this section, there are options available for us. The first part is related to the display settings, which includes the theme or custom template of the indicator that has three options: light tem, dark tem, and custom. By selecting the light option, a light template will be applied to the chart. Template placed on the chart man. By selecting the dark option, a dark template is applied to the chart, and by choosing the custom option, it keeps your personalized template and only runs the indicator on the chart. The next section is related to the indicator settings, where you can adjust the settings for the fast-moving average period, the slow-moving average period, and the MACD signal line period from this section. You can set the moving average to reduce market fluctuations, which can be set with periods of 8 and 5. Finally, you can also adjust the signal line period settings from this section. Here, I'm going to select the dark template and then hit OK. In the next section, you can adjust the settings using the moving averages to reduce market fluctuations, which are set with periods of 8 and 5. Finally, you can also adjust the settings for the signal line period from this section. Here, I'm selecting the dark template and finally hitting OK. Well, the dark template has been applied to my chart and the TSI MACD indicator is now active for me. This indicator, by combining the TSI indicator with the MACD indicator, is a suitable tool for identifying trend direction, buy and sell signals, and entry and exit points for trades. Alright, the dark template has been applied to my chart and the TSI MACD indicator is now active for me. This indicator combines the TSI indicator with the MACD indicator, making it a suitable tool for identifying trend direction, buy and sell signals, and entry and exit points for trades. Alright friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would love for you to share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.